Hello, and good morning, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon. All the greetings will be with you all. And currently, I'm showing you here some variations of the breads here in the buffet table of this very beautiful resort in the Maldives. Yeah, they have mini baguette. They have the brown bread roll. And we have the sesame seeds bread. And of course, the glutinous bread. And then the vegetable focaccia. Because all of these glutinous foods, no? or glutinous breads, they have a variety and different options right here. Then some plain hard rolls also they have. The soft rolls as well. This is how it look like. And of course, with the soup or the broth, they have the chicken vegetable broth, and they have the cream of parsley soup. Let's have a look on it. Wow, that is the chicken vegetable broth. And right here, let's have a look on it. Oh, fantastic. That's the cream of parsley soup. Okay. Nice. Enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your food. And okay, so that's for today's video. It's all about the breads. It's all about how the breads are being prepared right here in this beautiful resort, this beautiful restaurant. So come and enjoy your food right here. Perfect. So nice. Wow. Thank you very much for watching.